How to stop Spotlight indexing certain folders or drives on macOS. Open System Preferences. Click on the Spotlight button on the upper left. Click on the Privacy tab. Read Apple's tip, click Add, Plus, or drag a folder or disk into the list below, then you'd be able to get the job done, with ease. For advanced users, you can also add the .noindex extension to a particular folder. E.g., you may rename test folder as test folder.noindex. Note, renaming folder extension will not appear in the Privacy tab of Spotlight.